You ever wondered why that same old pain keeps coming back? Even when you think you're fine. Your body might be whispering something much deeper. Let's decode it. Pain near your shoulder, especially the right one, could sometimes be a referred pain from your gallbladder. According to the Cleveland Clinic, gallbladder inflammation can send pain signals to your shoulder blade or upper back. Tip: if shoulder pain worsens after fatty meals, get your gallbladder checked. Knees hurting more than usual? Nearly 50% of adults worldwide are low in vitamin D, essential for calcium absorption and joint strength. Tip: just 15 minutes of sunlight plus foods like egg yolks and salmon can make a big difference. Constant dull pain in your lower back, not linked to muscles? Your kidneys might be overworked. Studies show 1 in 10 adults will develop kidney issues in their lifetime. Tip: stay hydrated and reduce excessive salt or processed food intake. Neck stiffness and pressure headaches could indicate hypertension, especially if they appear suddenly. High BP affects over 1.2 billion people globally. Tip: check your blood pressure regularly and manage stress through deep breathing. Burning chest pain after eating? Might not be your heart, but acid reflux. Around 20% of people experience reflux weekly. Tip: avoid eating late at night, reduce caffeine, and keep your meals light. Tingling hands or numb fingers. That's a classic vitamin B12 deficiency sign. WHO data suggests nearly 30% of adults lack enough B12. Tip: include fish, dairy, or fortified cereals, or talk to your doctor about B12 supplements. If your feet often burn or tingle, it could be early nerve damage from diabetes. Over 500 million people have diabetes globally, many undiagnosed. Tip: monitor blood sugar and add more fiber, less sugar to your diet. Persistent hip pain? Weak bones could be the culprit. Calcium deficiency silently increases fracture risk. Tip: add dairy, leafy greens, or sesame seeds, and combine with vitamin D for absorption. Pressure or pain around your forehead? Likely sinus inflammation. Tip: steam inhalation, hydration, and avoiding allergens help reduce episodes. A dull ache at the back of your head, often in the morning, can be a red flag for hypertension. Tip: limit sodium, stay active, and manage stress before it becomes chronic. Which of these signs surprised you the most? Comment below and tag someone who needs to see this. Your body doesn't speak in words, it speaks in signals. Listen early, act wisely, and nourish daily. Follow NutriNest, where nutrition meets wellness.